Hi everyone and welcome to another episode of Kylie's Kitchen. I'm Kylie from GF Oats Australia. Thank you for joining me. So if you're joining me live, give me some love hearts, and if you're joining on the replay, please put replay in the comments below so that I know you've been here. This is 2 ingredients today, and what we're doing is we're making a base for a flan or a cheesecake of some sort. So I've done a few different ones, and mainly cheesecakes, lime cheesecakes, whatever is in season, passion fruit. So this is a really cracking one. The other one somebody made and showed me was for an base for an apple pie. So there's a few different ways you can use this biscuit base. Now, if you're not familiar with this biscuit base, it just comes straight off our Anzac biscuit. So we just crumbled them down. So all it is the Anzac biscuit, if you're familiar with that flavor, all just crumbled down. So you've got all your ingredients you need in there. Just make sure that there's no lumps. Okay, all we're going to add to that is 2 tablespoons of coconut oil in this recipe. Now, don't worry about ingredients. I'll put a link in the comments below to the actual recipe. If you would like more of a buttery type flavor, by all means use butter or nuttolets. Now, we just need to stir all that so it's all combined. And then we're going to pop it straight into the bottom of that flan. It's just such a quick and easy way to do a base for a cake if you've got people coming. So just get all of that biscuit crumb out of there. I just put a little bit of baking paper into the bottom of that flan, by the way. So it's just enough coconut oil in there to really just combine it. Now, that is about as hard as it gets. There's your biscuit base already done, ready for you to prepare the topping. So thanks very much. That's as hard as it gets. I'll also put a link in the comments below on where you can purchase this biscuit crumble if you'd like to try some out. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you next time. Bye now.